Hey, what is up, my boys? What is pooping my farters? Tyler, you're smelly. Welcome to this video. We're playing The Corridor. It's quite fun. Stay tuned for in 2 weeks. I'll have upload going up on a Friday from a game I streamed previously on my Twitch channel. It was pretty fun, so go watch that if you'd like. Whenever it comes out. It's great if you stay along for the ride. Anyways, enjoy The Corridor. Ooh, look at that little button over there. I really want to touch that right there. Oh my, nice, big, and juicy.
Never open this game again.
Okay, I guess he doesn't want us to open the game, but who cares? Let me open it again. I really want to play this. It looks really fun. Looks like a lot of fun, actually.
How dare you?
What? What are you talking about? Okay, well, let me just push the button again, because I really do want to start the game, so let me just click that. Guess he doesn't want me to start the game. Oh, that's kind of odd. Okay, let's launch it again.
I'm being serious.
Yeah, so am I. I'm being serious, dude. I really want to play this game. What do you... I don't know what your problem is, but... Perfect, but yeah, let's start. I guess that didn't start the game this time. We'll try one more time, I think. Because this, yeah, I really want to play.
Now. Damn it.
It was behind me. Let's start. Okay, I'm getting the feeling he doesn't want me to play this game. Don't know why. He doesn't want me to play, but it just...
Yeah, go on then. Push it. I want you to push it. I've come round.
No, I don't really want to push the button anymore, to be honest. I just... don't really want to do that. I kind of feel bored with that button. I kind of...
Yes, I've realised that reverse psychology doesn't quite make sense here considering I want you to leave.
Yeah. Well, let's start. Dang, okay, I guess that time it didn't work either. Weird. Okay, we'll do it one more time. One more try, come on. Oh, there we are. There's a button. Or, wait, what's that over here? Is it a game? Oh, hey. What's up? You're a cardboard man, nice. With a cardboard plan. Okay, what's annoying? Yeah, it is kind of annoying. What? He is? I will not give in. I will. I will get through this just for you, cardboard man. You're so beautiful. Thanks for ruining for me, dude. Let's click that button. Okay. Let's open it again. I really want to play this game, to be honest, so...
Oh, so you like pushing a load of meaningless old buttons, do you?
Ooh.
Well, feast on this.
Dude, this just makes me horny.
Though, considering the medium.
Yeah, that's... oh my gosh, so many buttons. This is so good.
Okay, yes, this is somehow more painful for me than it is for you.
No,
It's
dude.
the one in the corner.
1 second. I just need to click the rest. I'm almost there. I'll get it eventually, don't worry. And then I'll go where you want me to go. Alright, gotta click the rest of the buttons.
No, not that corner.
This one? Oh, okay, it's probably the other corner. I'll check it out after clicking the rest of these. Oh, fine, I'll go over there now. I'll go over there, dude. I apologize. I was a little button hungry. This one. Or this one? I think he wants me to click this one. This one probably starts the game, actually, so let's do it. I guess not. Don't know what his plan is. Just gonna play the game again. Whoa. Okay.
You might have stayed there forever, you never know.
Yeah, maybe. I might have, but no, let's start the game. Huh. Oh, there's the button. Let's just click it again. Why not? You know? That's the end of the game? Surely not, though. I really want to play.
Well, this obviously isn't my game anymore, so I guess I'll leave. Goodbye.
See you, dude. Is there a button here, maybe? You try to get load time, and this is what happens. I guess so. What if I just swim, you know? Oh! There's the button to start the game. Yes! Okay, I guess that wasn't to start the game. Let's try again. This time it's gonna work. Surely. The legally distinct spatial intruders. Okay, let's do it. Easy, come on, come on, come on, get them all. That was starting the game. That's alright. We'll try again. We'll try again. It will be okay. Whoa. Interesting. I like this new game. It's kind of like CSGO. I love CSGO. Got him.
You just killed a guy. What's wrong with you? I didn't even ask you to do anything. You just did it.
Yeah.
You think that's a bit of a weird response?
No, I mean, he looked like a bad
there was
guy.
button hidden in the level, right? Fine, we'll go back to the corridor stuff there.
Oh, nice. We're back. Awesome, awesome.
Button.
Oh.
Door. Wall. Who among us would have thought that a mere few minutes ago
Yes.
we would have been like this?
Who would have known?
Comrades in arms. Musketeers.
Yes.
I would even go as far as to say.
Well, yeah, man. I feel the same way about you. I don't know what to say. I'll join the Brotherhood. Okay, well, that's not how I expected it to go.
I know I've not actually said this yet, but if you fall from a great height in this game, you will die and you lose forever. And that's it. The game closes, you can never open it again, so make sure you don't fall from a great height. Okay, yes, I was lying. Worth a try.
Yeah, I thought I was gonna die. So, don't know why you told me that. I click the button, it's gonna start the game. Okay, that was weird. Kinda weird. Let's try again. Let's try again. I really do want to play this game, you know? Yeah, looks fine. I'll go ahead and click it now. Wow. Button stands there, doing nothing. Nervously. Hi, how are you doing today? The button continues to stand there, as if to say I'm fine, I guess. What about you? Frankly, I'm sorry to be blunt, but I'm getting kind of peeved that you keep turning off the game. No, it actually makes me feel good. Good. Yeah, I'm good too. The button continues to stand there, as if to say, that's all you have to say, huh? Oh. You hate me, don't you? You hate me. I don't even want to see. But the button continues to stand there, as if to say I'm an inanimate object who cannot say anything you are projecting. Push the button. Click. Don't know what happened there. Start the game. Everybody talking.
Listen, don't worry, you're gonna be fine. Just go out there and give it everything you've got.
Yeah, I'll do that, dude. Don't worry. I'll give them all I got. I've been working on this set for a while. I think the guys are gonna love it.
Welcome, one and all, to tonight's performance of The Corridor.
Oh, they're gonna love this. They're gonna love this. Trust. So, you got there before I could even say anything, you dog. Okay, well, let's start the game. Oh.
Boo! This sucks.
Hey, don't say it, dude. Why would you do that? You can't just say that. Oh, I'm gonna get you. I'm going back in. Round 2, baby.
I'll make it choppy. Technically at fault. That always scares people away.
Oh, no, it's okay. My PC's bad anyway. Let's just start the game. Or not. Well, let's do another playthrough. That was pretty fun.
How bad does it have to be before you stop caring?
It's really fun. It's really, really fun. That's all I gotta say. I'm sorry, dude. Let's try again, I guess.
I could make it longer just to pad it out if that's really what you want. A longer game? Just more.
Yeah, do a longer game. That'd be great. If this game was long, I wouldn't mind. I kind of love it, to be honest. So, do what you want with it. I'm having lots of fun. Long games are the best. Story-driven, single player. That's what I like. Give me more. Okay, well that wasn't too long. It's another run through. Speed run this time.
Ugh, why even bother waiting for you to make it all the way across? We all know you're gonna press it anyway, might as well skip to the chase.
Yeah, I would say so. Let's go click the button again.
Fine then. You want long? How about infinite? Infinite corridor.
Yep.
Legitimately infinite, I should add. Don't even bother trying to get to the end.
Oh, I'll make it. Don't worry. I have plenty of time. It's one thing I've got. It's really fun, so don't bother. Don't bother worrying.
You're really gonna stay here forever, huh?
Yeah.
You're not just gonna leave?
Why would I leave? It's the game.
You really think there's more to see just because I said that there wasn't more to see?
I mean, yeah, that's
Great.
kind of inferred.
Great.
So, okay, well, I wanted to play. Screw you, dude. This is easy.
Okay, that actually is broken. You just had to ask for a longer game, didn't you?
Yeah.
Want, that's all you ever do. Alright, let's go out and fix it then, I guess.
Yeah, let's fix it up. It's like that one scene from Wreck-It
Those
Ralph.
aren't plugged in. We can probably just reboot and we'll be fine.
Yeah, don't worry, I got it. I'll take care of the game.
You see, that's the thing about you. You ruin things just by observing.
Okay, what's the problem with
If
that?
you hadn't been watching those plugs, they wouldn't have felt the need to comedically plug themselves in. Your very existence here is the thing that spoils
Don't like this guy. Boom. Okay, never mind, I guess. Let me launch it one more time. That was pretty fun, actually. Ooh.
What, have you forgotten the controls now?
Nope. This is actually perfectly normal. I always use S, D, W, A to move. So, no worries. This is pretty easy for a guy like me. Don't worry. Alright. Oh, yeah, no, this is easy. It's easy. Look at this. Boom. Wow. How could you... This is amazing. Launch the game again. I love it. Whoa.
Ah, yes.
Yes.
Well, could you just wait? I kind of procrastinated and forgot to finish this part.
No, it's okay, dude. Don't worry. I don't mind. I'll just...
Okay, we'll just put this right here. And
Yeah.
This right there.
Ooh. Yes, one more.
Bit of that.
Ooh.
Bit of this.
Yep.
Okay. Now we're cooking.
That's good. That's good. Okay, maybe one more try. Okay.
Making things isn't easy.
Ooh, it's the button. Let's go. Let's get that boy. Wonder what version of Unity he had. Oh.
Imagine what I could do without you messing everything up.
What am I messing up, dude? I'm just trying to play your game is all. You know? It's pretty simple what I'm trying to do here. Oh.
Maybe you could just do what I asked and stop.
Well, if I stop, then I'm not playing a game. That's not what the viewers came for. Right, guys? Right? Okay. Let's open it back up. Let's play.
No, really, just don't.
No, what's wrong, man? You kind of sound depressed. You should play this game with me. It's pretty fun. Oh. Okay. Let's try again.
Why are you still here? Isn't it obvious I don't want you around? I don't want you to play this game. Do you know how much pain you cause? You know what? Go away. Go away and make your own thing. Don't use mine. Go out there instead.
I'm sorry, I guess. Ah, the lights. Perfect. It's too bright in here anyway. That's what I thought. Perfect. Oh. Didn't know the light. I think the power went out. Didn't know that would close the game.
Did you turn the lights back on?
No.
I think the light switch is supposed to be some sort of big orange button or something. I don't know
Oh.
if you've seen anything like that around?
I can do that. I gotta check if the lights are on now. Oh. No, it doesn't suck, dude. It's real good. I love it.
Damn it, I thought I might have you that time.
No, not this time. Maybe try next time, though. Alright. Let's try one more time.
Not so fun when I'm in
Whoa.
your stuff, is it?
Whoa.
Oh, you have a lovely machine here.
What are
It would
you
be a
doing,
real shame
buddy?
If something were to happen to it.
What's going on, actually?
Your computer is off. Now go away.
What? My screen's black.
Not convincing enough?
I can't see. What the heck is going on? What? That was insane. Okay.
You know, the funny thing is,
Yeah.
I block you out so easily. It wouldn't even take any effort, just a single wall. A single wall blocking out every single part of you.
Yeah. It would be pretty easy, but then how would I play your
Of
game?
course. I can't.
Yeah. Just remove it. Yeah. Thank you. Let's press the button now. Oh my gosh, that feels even better. Every single time I do it. I feel so fulfilled.
Yes, I noticed you trying to open the door, okay? Not everything needs...
Oh, it's gonna work. It's fine. It's like one of those.
Fine. Go ahead and rip it apart, I don't know.
How you doing? Thank you for opening the door for me. It does mean a lot, so I appreciate it. Alrighty. What is over here, my friend? Huh. Cardboard Man. Ever heard about that fable about the fox and the grapes? No. Basically, an incredibly hungry fox sees some juicy grapes. Alright. But he can't get them. He tries and tries, but never even gets close. Eventually, he sulks away and says, they were sour anyway. Just something I think about a lot, I guess. Always easier to pretend you don't want something than to admit you want it and fail. Well, the grapes did just fall. I am close. I'm rooting for you, kid. Thanks, Cardboard Man. I'm gonna get those grapes now. They're mine. Good luck, Cardboard Man with a cardboard plan. Corridor Industries Inc. Complete place door existence plug. Great. Oh, it looks like a butt crack. A little bit. Crazy. So plug that.
Anyway.
Yeah, don't care about that.
Textures? I don't think so.
They're for chumps. Literally.
Models? Bin 'em.
Bye-bye, models. Hell yeah. That's how you play a game. Oh, there's a little something over there. What's that? Let's get it. Save data. I don't know if I want to pull that though. I've been playing this game for a while now.
Wait, please just stop.
Okay, sorry.
I want you to play the game.
Yeah,
Of course I want you to play it.
I know.
It's just,
What's up, man? Tell me.
it's bad. Oh. What if it sucks? What if you hate it? What if
Oh,
it's the worst thing ever
don't think
made?
that.
And it's all been for nothing.
Buddy,
To avoid that.
don't say that. It's a great game.
Here you go. This is my game.
This is a fantastic game.
Down a corridor and push a button and that's it.
That's such a good
I
game.
hope you like it.
Yes, I love the game. Don't change a thing.
Huh. You know, that wasn't actually that bad.
Yeah. Ooh, Thomas McEnald. Bro, Thomas, I'll be macking on you if you want, man. I'm alright with that. That was a great game. It was awesome. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I enjoyed this game. Sorry that's a bit random. This is I was gonna upload something different today, but that edit's taking a bit too long. So, just doing a little bit different of a game. But I enjoyed it nonetheless. Anyways, yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's the best part of anybody's day, obviously. But yeah, peace out.